Hello and welcome to session 1 of our Coordination and Reaction Skills Club with me, Mr. Warner. Over the next few weeks we'll be looking at various drills you can do at home by yourself or with your family to help improve your coordination and reactions. First up, we all know the importance of a good warm-up, and we're going to start off with one of my favourite warm-ups at the moment, and this game is called Clock Face. I'm just going to show you a quick video about what to do, and then we're going to go and have a go together. Okay, here we go. Hello, I've got a reaction and agility test here for you. What I want you to imagine is that you've just jumped into the middle of a clock. Okay, so you've got a clock that goes all the way around you. Okay, so at 12, I've got 12 o'clock that's here. I've then got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, what's going to happen is you're going to have 1 minute on the clock, and I'm going to shout out during that minute as many different numbers as possible. If it's a 12 or a 6, so a 12, you have to jump forward and back to the centre. If it's a 6, back, centre. 3 would be to the side and back. 6 would be to the side and back. All the other numbers, I'm just trying to step on top of that number. And I'm going to try and do that as quickly as possible. Mr. Wicks, can you shout out some numbers for me? And I'm going to see how I get on.
12.
So forward, back.
1.
Step.
3.
Side.
4.
Step.
12.
Forward.
6. 12. 11.
Step.
10.
Step.
9.
Side. And
12.
Perfect. Okay, and you're going to have 1 minute on the clock and see how many you can get during that time. Good luck. Enjoy it. Okay, here is my clock. You guys at home don't need to set up a clock, but this should help you visualise what you need to do. So you've got 12 o'clock, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Remember, it's 12, 3, 6, 9. I've got a 2-foot jump and everything else is just a 1 foot. I've got 1 minute on my clock. See if you can keep up with me. Hope you're ready. Okay, jump into your clock, get ready, set and go. Okay, so let's go. 1 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 6, keeping up, 12, 9, over the cross, 10, 2, 7, 12, and back, 12, and back, 6, 4, 5, 11, 1, keep going, that's 30 seconds, 12, 6, 3, 9, keep going, 10, 11, 2, 5, 4, 3, 9, last 10 seconds, 12, keep going, 6, 6, and again 6, can you keep going, 12, big push, 3 seconds, 3, 9, and back to the middle and stop there. That was excellent, guys, well done. I hope you're able to keep up with me there. It's a bit easier for me when I'm calling them out and I'm jumping at the same time, so that makes it a little bit easier for me. If you want to do that again and change the speed, you can do that at home with a partner. Just get somebody else to call out those numbers for you. So if you want to, pause it, give it another go, get someone else to call these out. If not, get ready for the next video because we're going to do a nice little reaction test. Well done, guys. I hope you enjoyed Clock Face. I want you to try and remember that drill because we will come back and probably use that again. Now, before we move on to our next drill, I want to make sure you've got some water ready and that your muscles are ready. Your heart rate would have been nicely raised there. Now, have a little stretch. You would have known some stretches with your PE teacher, so go through a little stretches. Make sure your legs and arms are all ready to go. Okay, now for our first exercise. Once again, I'm now going to show you another video. This will be a reaction test. Now, this is very similar to the Clock Face game where I will call out a command and you would have to react to that. Watch the video and then once again we will have a go together in a minute. Enjoy. Hello, I've got a quick reaction test here for you. What I want you to do, okay, is get into the middle of this box. We've got 4 different coloured cones here. Now, if you were at home, you could use any 4 items. You could use water bottles, towels, anything you want. Really doesn't matter as long as they are all different. Okay, what you need to do is get ready into your ready position, feet ready to move on your toes. What's going to happen is you need to get one partner, and what they're going to do is they're going to call out one of the coloured cones. Once they call out that cone, you're going to try and touch it with your foot, lunge in to each one as quick as you can. There's going to be 1 minute on the clock, and you see how many you can do within that minute. Okay, we're going to have a quick example.
Blue, red, green, white.
Okay, perfect. Okay, to make it again, if you wanted to up that again, you could use your hands to touch it. So you could bend, lunge in with that knee, touching it back to that middle. Trying to do that as quick as you can. Let's go for another example.
Red,
Red, down there.
blue,
Lunging down.
green, white.
Perfect. Okay, and you're going to see how many you can get in 1 minute. Good luck. Okay, and ready for our little reaction test. As you can see, I've set out 4 different coloured cones. If you want to join in with me now, you will need something in your house that is the same as one of these colours. You could use some socks you might have some t-shirts or jumpers or books, anything like that that can represent that colour. Just don't have it too close to you that you're going to step on, because what we're going to do is we're going to step in and touching that item. Okay. During the exercise, I want to see you back into the middle every time on those toes, ready to move. Now, don't worry if you haven't got things at home that represent these colours. That's all right. You don't have to do this with me. You can pause the video and do it separately. You can have any sort of items such as water bottles or cans or anything you've got. Just get someone to call out those items, put a minute on the clock and see how many you can do. Okay, I've got my minute ready. Get yourself set, get into the middle of your spot, okay, and when I'm going to start now. So if you aren't ready, pause it now and then get ready to hear. Okay, perfect. Right, ready to go. 1 minute, listening out to me. Are we ready? Go. Okay, and let's go. Blue, lunging down, touch it, back to the middle. Yellow, lunging down, touch it, back to the middle. Green, it's a bit quicker now. Green, red, make sure you get there. Blue, yellow, back to the middle on those toes. Yellow, blue, blue, red, red, green, blue, back to the middle every time. Red, yellow, keep up, keep going. Yellow, green, red, keep going guys. Blue, 20 seconds left. Yellow, yellow, red, blue, 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 5 seconds. Blue, green, yellow, push it, red, and stop there. Excellent guys. Whew, well done. I hope you were able to keep up there. Like I said, if you want to make it harder there, pause this video, get someone else to call them out for you, and see how many you can get in that minute. If you struggle to keep up there, I almost did, get someone to call it out for you, and then just go at your own rate. So as soon as you touch it and get back to the middle, someone can call out another colour, and see how many you can get in a minute. I want to see how you get on. Good luck everyone. Well done. I hope you enjoyed our reaction box test. Now I hope you've given that a few goes. Now if you're on your own, just rewind that video and do it a couple of times. If you were able to get yourself a partner, make them mix up the colours. Push yourself and sort of give yourself a personal target, and then try and do it again and try and improve on that. So hopefully over a few goes you can track your progress, and hopefully you can see your reactions getting a little bit quicker. We're now going to move on to a different drill. This is now going to concentrate on our hand-eye coordination. Hopefully again after some practice it can help improve that. Now in the video I'm just about to show you, I'm using a tennis ball, so you will need to get a ball of some sort. If you don't have a tennis ball and you've got another size ball at home, that's absolutely fine. Now in the video I say you use one hand. Now that is for a tennis ball. If you've got a bigger ball, it's okay. You can do this drill with 2 hands. And again, if you're finding it difficult with a tennis ball, use 2 hands going from your side. And then once you get a little bit better, you can go to 1 hand. So watch this video. Give it a go, and I will see you again in a minute. Enjoy. Hello, I've got a coordination test here for you. What we're going to do is you're going to need a partner, and what I want them to do is the person that's going to stand in the middle, they're going to try and roll the ball to a cone. What I need to do as the person that's down this end is to be on my toes in that ready position, ready to move. Once your partner is going to roll the ball to your right hand side, I want you to move, shuffling across, using your right hand on the right hand side to roll that ball back to your partner, back into the middle, then roll to the left. On the left hand side, use your left hand to catch it, roll it back. To start with, you can go from right to left, right to left. Once you get more comfortable, you can get your partner to start mixing it up so you don't know which way it's going to go. Okay, let's give it a go. So on your toes, ready? Down, watching that ball, back it goes every time. Where's it going to go? Left hand, down. Really keeping your eyes on the ball, stepping, getting nice and low, seeing how we can go. Now if we can go any side you want now, switch. There, left, still using my left hand, I'm not crossing hands. Good, left again, back to the middle, trying to stay on my toes. There, back it goes. Okay, what you can do is if you want to try and test yourself, put 1 minute on the clock, see how many you can do with your partner, then swap over. Good luck. Well done, hope you understood that video. Now if you are at home on your own, you don't have to use a partner. All that you need is your tennis ball and just to find yourself a wall. Now what I've done is I've set up 2 markers, one to my right and one to my left, sort of somewhere to aim, sort of to get the ball to. Now I've sort of set myself about 4 or 5 steps away. If I wanted to make it easier for myself, I would go a bit further back. If I wanted to make it a little bit harder, I could step forwards. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll that ball against 2 of my markers by bending my knees and using my hands to get there to the ball. Trying to keep it low along the floor so it comes back nice and quickly. Now I can go side to side there, like in the video, left to right, or I could make it a little bit harder, but if I hit the middle of my wall, the ball will naturally go to the side, so I have to move a little bit quicker to get over to the side, getting low, bending down, side to side, and getting myself across. Now, if you don't have a tennis ball, like I said, you could use a slightly larger ball, and if you're finding it difficult with using one hand, you can use 2 hands. Now I still want to get low, with 2 hands along the floor, rolling it across. I can go side to side, but again, if I hit the middle, come back a little bit quicker, making it a little bit harder, a little bit more unpredictable to where the ball is going. Okay? You can still mix it up yourself, whichever way you like. Now, if you wanted to really test yourself, you can set a timer, see how many you can get in a minute. You really don't have to. This is just good practice to improve that coordination. You can mix the balls up, you can change your pace, you can change your distances. It's completely up to you. Now, if you do have a partner, I've now got a little video of myself and Mr. Wicks playing this as a game. Okay, so if you do have a partner, go and enjoy. As an extension, you can try and turn this into a game with your partner. Okay, what you can do is set up 2 goals at either side, same rules as before. You can only use that one hand that goes to your side. I don't want to see you using 2 hands going across in this game. We can do that in a different exercise. Try and keep it with one hand. Other rule is that ball cannot come above your knee, okay? I want it to try and go go along the floor. If it comes up, it's not going to count. Okay, Mr. Wicks, you ready?
Yep.
Okay. Step, rolling. Goal straight away. Terrible stuff. Back in. Well done, Mr. Wicks. On your toes, trying to get to the side. Left hand's going to be a lot harder. Trying to practice it. Good. Can we get there? Gonna get through the legs. Got it. 1-1. We'll have one more. Ready? Oh! Foot. Can't be doing that. Well done, Mr. Wicks. Okay. Good luck, guys. Enjoy. Well done to Mr. Wicks there for beating me in that little drill. Now with that game, you can set the score to whatever you like. You could be 1st to 7, you could say 1st to 11. It's completely up to you. Set the goals quite small, but you can adjust the goals if you want to, as well with the different distances. The further away it is, the goals are, the harder it will be to score, but the easier it will be to defend. The closer you come to each other, it will be much easier to score, but it will be much harder to change, to stop that ball from going in your net. Now, if you wanted to, I know I said you couldn't, but you can change the ball size. If that's what you've got at home, you can turn it into a little bit of a goalkeeping drill, but the ball must stay on the floor. You can also use 2 hands if you want to, but don't want to see any feet getting involved. Please try and use your hands. I hope you enjoyed all of today's videos, and I hope that you will come and join me next week for some more coordination and reaction tests. I hope you all enjoyed. Good luck.